Okay, now I'm going to check out to the Tutor V2, then I'm going to create my environment and other stuff. Then I'm going to install all the necessary packages to install my dependencies. So let's do that. Come in here, then go to my, okay, that was checkout, git checkout Tutor V2. Okay, I'm switched to this branch, then go to the backend. After that, what I can do, I can install it like sudo apt install python 3 venv. Okay, done. Not available. Let's move to another package. This may. Okay, sorry. So we are facing this issue because we didn't update our packages. So for the sudo apt update, we have to update first. So after that, we can able to install the necessary packages. Sorry for that. Okay. So now what I can do, let me just clear all of this. Now I can install my pip and environment all together. Okay, what's the command? Mm. Sudo apt install y python 3 pip and python 3 run. If I hit enter now, see now it's been installed. So make sure that you update your packages first. Okay. So after that, I'm going to create my virtual environment. Okay, so it's been installed. So let me clear my virtual environment. So for that, what I have to do, I just have to make it so Python 3 dash m is make, then venv, the environment name, which is the environment, and hit enter. Then if everything goes correctly, then it should able to create it. Okay, so now to activate it, source, then the environment name. Under the environment name, there's the bin folder, and under that there's the activate folder. So it is, see, my environment is activate. So that's how you're going to activate your environment. Now I'm going to install all the necessary packages. So for that, let me come in here. What do we need to install? We just activate it. Now we need to install sudo apt install build essentials. Just copy this. Then I can hit Y. Okay, after that, what we need the sudo apt install make GCC and G++ for the compiler. So it's been installed. So let's see what else. We need install PPUL for the Python. Pip install will. So it's been installed. Now I need to install the pkg-config file. Copy this. These are the all necessary packages that you need to install a dependency. Sorry, recommend.txt file. After that, I need to install the Python 3 dev version and the default MySQL client dev. So let's do this. Then hit Y. Okay, so it's been installing. After that, I need to install MySQL client. Then I can install my recommend.txt file. So let's do this. Pip install. Okay, it installed. Now just have to install the recommend.txt file. Okay, now paste it. And if everything goes correctly, see, it's been installed. So I install my backend recommend.txt files.